studio, and I wanted to show you Hi, I'm Chef Ch-Ch-Ch-Chayla with My Make Studio, and today I wanted to show you my favorite way to scoop out or portion out my cupcakes to keep them more even and consistent. Because I know that some people like to use the spoon method, or some people like to use a measuring cup. I personally like to use an ice cream scoop. So I wanted to show you some things with that and just how to do it. Just a real quick, short, easy little tip for you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show all of them. So with a spoon, I usually do a tablespoon, and I fill it up, and then you've got to get it in there. So you've either got to like shake your spoon, and then put another spoonful in there, and then even then, you still get this part that's like stuck all over the spoon. So you've got to use a spatula or your finger if they're for you. These are all for me. To get it in there. So it's not the worst, but it's not my favorite. Next, I'm going to show you a measuring cup. So you could use like the Cupcake cup, but I'm using this one. And it's pretty similar to our spoon. I scoop it in, and then I've got to just shake it around to try and get it all out. And that does a better fill. I don't need to do it a second time. But I still get all of this batter stuck in here. So again, you would need a spatula or your fingers if the cupcakes are for you. But my favorite is the ice cream scoop. I have been baking for, oh my gosh, how long have I been baking? Oh my goodness, 13 years now, and this is still my favorite. So with the ice cream scoop, let me get this bowl up in here for you. I can take it, scrape it against the side of the bowl to level it off, and then I just pick my cupcake liner and scoop it in. And when you use an ice cream scoop and do all of them that way, every single cupcake is going to be level and the same size. So I feel like it's a lot better for one, speed, and two, just consistency. So they're better all around. And then as you get close to the end of your batter, you can go ahead and scrape it and just put a little more in there to try and make them match the same size as your other cupcakes. And that is using an ice cream scoop. And there you go. That's just one of my favorite little easy tips and tricks for doing a bunch of cupcakes and trying to keep them even. I like the ice cream scoop. I love the ice cream scoop, honestly. I feel really weird when I bake without an ice cream scoop. And if you're interested in the blue cupcakes, because I don't know about you, but my brain for some reason always wants to eat things that are blue. I don't know why. If it's blue colored, that's the one I'm going for. Might not even be my favorite flavor. I don't know why I almost said flower. But blue is the color I want. So if you want to see how to make some blue party cupcakes, we do have a YouTube video on that as well. I hope that you have a great day, and as always, I gotta set my scoop down for this one. Stay creative.